What's great about using a private podcast as a lead magnet is that you know exactly who the listeners are. They've given you their information, their email address, their name, and then you can speak to them directly using that information they've shared with you. So inside the feed, you can use first name information to personalize content based on the name information that they gave you. So instead of just a title that everyone sees as the same, you could personalize this with first name or last name and hover over this little question mark to show some tips of how to type it. What you're going to do, let's say we wanted to say welcome so-and-so, whoever signed up. So what you could do is type welcome and then double bracket, so a little square bracket, F name for first name. And then that's going to show welcome Derek, for example, as the person who just signed up in the earlier video. So if I don't have a name though, we need to know what else to show. So in this case, we're going to put in a vertical bar, which is the little character underneath the delete key. And let's go ahead and add something like friend. So welcome friend if they didn't provide their name information. And we can put an exclamation mark after that. So anyone who signs up is going to be welcomed to the feed with the first episode titled with their name, customized, personalized to them. Let me save this change. And as somebody who signed up earlier and subscribed in Google Podcast, this is the episode title, which it used to be first, and then it's going to show now, welcome Derek, because I added my name information to Hello Audio. So this stuff gets personalized. What else could you personalize? You can do the feed title, episode title. You can put it in the show notes itself. So whoever the person is, you can add links and so on and describe stuff and talk to them directly, just like an email. Like you'd personalize the email saying like, dear so-and-so. So welcome Derek to the audio lead magnet feed. And again, episode titles and then inside the show notes itself. If you wanted to personalize that as well, you can put in first name or last name, but usually first name is the one that gets used the most. Great. So that's a nice way to personalize your content and speak to your private podcast listeners using their name information.